So tonight's tea is baked aubergines, mixed salad leaf and some little baby roast potatoes. And so I got this idea from the Back to the Garden restaurant just outside Holt. If you want to go and buy them, they're in the deli. They are gorgeous. So what they do, I asked the chef, they crisscross, they cut the aubergine in half, they crisscross it, they rub it with garlic, put some garlic in between all the crisscrosses, and then they put tomato puree, a load of tomato, puree over the top of that, and a little salt and pepper, and then that goes in the oven. But tonight I have chosen to add a few little bits more. I ran out of garlic. I'd only got a tiny little garlic clove, so I've diced that up and I've squashed that into a bit into each. But I've put some of these on it, garlic granules instead. And then I have added some ginger tonight. So I've put this pureed ginger. I've rubbed that over top and put that into all the crisscrosses. And then the tomato puree on top. So the tomato puree is quite thick. And then on top of that is some salt and some grated salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And now I'm going to put those into the oven to bake, because I've already got the potatoes in the air fry, which was silly. I could have put it all in the oven, but I'm now going to put these on a tray and put them in the oven, probably for about half an hour. And I think I've done them 2 or 3 times before. I think it's about half an hour and then they're cooked. And this is the end result. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look nice? It's all juicy and there's all lovely juices inside all the little crisscrosses. And these are the potatoes, which I did in a little bit of Frylight and some garlic powder and salt and pepper. And this beautiful leaf salad, and those little crispy bits on the top there are out of the air fryer basket from the potatoes. Some balsamic dressing. What do you think to that?